Meaning of enumeration.
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 Enumeration. Enumeration refers to the process of listing or counting items in a particular set or group. The result of an enumeration is typically a comprehensive list that identifies and categorizes each item within the group based on its unique characteristics or attributes. This can be useful for a variety of purposes, such as organizing data, conducting research, or developing taxonomies. By creating a detailed enumeration, it becomes easier to analyze the properties and relationships of objects within a specific domain, enabling more efficient decision-making and problem-solving.